Hi guys, I am making a quick video on how to set up an appointment scheduler. So if I want to meet with my group, I want to meet with a group of writers and I want them to be able to schedule any time with me. And I also want some control over when they're going to be signing up with me, and so that it can accommodate my schedule so that I can give them like a window of time. And we use Calendly for this. So right now I'm in Loom. I'm going to go to Calendly and I'm going to go into, these are the different kinds of meetings that we schedule with people. So I am going to click on right here. It says writer meeting. I'm actually going to click on that writer meeting. Okay. And this is all very simple. And then now that I'm in here, since I've done it before, I'm just going to click on this, and right here it gives date ranges, and so I can just change this to the dates. You could do any range that you want to do, which is really great. You could do, I have a 2-week span here, so I just click on the 21st and then the 1st and then hit apply, and then this will tell them what to expect, how many minutes to expect per meeting. I want to set custom hours. So I went and looked at my calendar and saw when I could have, what days I have time. And these hours, the only thing with this is these are the hours per week. So if I choose 2 weeks, both of those weeks, I'm going to have to stick with these hours. And that can be kind of annoying. I don't know if there's a workaround for that. There might be, but like a more customizable way to go about it. But I do not know a more customizable way. So for now, you just got to figure out you could do 1 week at a time, but I wanted to give my writers 2 weeks to meet with me. So we have these date range, the times within these 2 weeks that I figured I could do. Anyway, so that's all you do. It's very simple. So you can go through and just see, customize to your set custom hours, and then save and close. And then you just come up here and you copy the link, and then you go to Slack, and then in Slack you write a message like, you would say something like, "Hi team, I'm looking forward to meeting with you. Please schedule an appointment at this link below." And then one thing to know about Slack is you can't use return. Return will actually post it, but if you hit shift return, you can go down. I'm kind of OCD with how I write and how I do things. And then you can paste the link in, okay? And then I would send it to get that going. That's how you do it. Super easy. So that is how you schedule meetings with people, with your writers. Whoever I'm talking to, I don't know, but when you're trying to schedule something, this is using templates that are already set up, and I do realize that I'm not telling you how to set up a template. I'll have to have another video for how to set up a template with Calendly, but this is how to use, just to change an already set up template for a meeting. But it's pretty intuitive. Calendly is pretty intuitive, so if you just get on it and mess around, you'll figure it out. So that's that. Thanks, guys.